देयर इज़ सो मच, मतलब बहुत सारा दुख की बात है। पेमा खांडू जी से लेके हमारा ऑनरेबल सीएम पेमा खांडू जी से लेके और हमारा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट भी है, और कानून एवं न्याय मंत्रालय किरण रिजिजू से भी बहुत ही नाराज है हम लोग का एम्प्लॉयड अनएम्प्लॉयड वर्कर्स यूनियन जो। और मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ आज एक करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में, जो वुमेन कमीशन ऑफ अरुणाचल चेयरपर्सन श्रीमती राधिलु चाई तिची।
आप अपना एजेंडा में आइए ना।
एजेंडा में नहीं, जस्ट नहीं, ये जस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है।
आप वो सब छोड़ दीजिए, आप अपना आइडिया में बात कीजिए, अपना पॉइंट में बात कीजिए, नहीं बात मत कीजिए।
हाँ ठीक है। नहीं, हमें एक पॉइंट्स जो है, ये एक पॉइंट्स देना चाहिए था उसको। वो भी
वर्कर्स यूनियन का की बात कीजिए आप। वो
नहीं, ये वर्कर्स यूनियन का अंदर में तो आता है ना, वर्कर्स यूनियन का अंदर में भी आता है ये। इंडेंजर द अनएम्प्लॉयड वर्कर्स यूनियन आर्टिकल लॉ, this statement, and she personally gave me that permission to, if there is any view anyone can place in media. Radelu Chai Tichi, that there are so many points to be discussed. There are so many points to be discussed under the Women Commission, like domestic violence in India, dowry system, female politicide, gender pay gap, and also rape. There are many points like women reservation bill in politics, ground, jobs, etc. There, from nowhere, what act of bill has been came here, and that is totally vague and invalid, which has endangered the peace of the society, and also endangered the Bengal Eastern Frontier Act 1873, and also have provoked the society, youths. She cannot put up his personal frustration on a social network. This is completely illegal. Under some section of coordination, there is a provision for banning him or her for a period of time. So I appeal to the government of Arunachal Pradesh to ban those members present in the passing of endangering or the bill of Bengal Eastern Frontier Act. Still, they have also not mentioned the Marriage and Inheritance Bill 2021. Also have not mentioned the changing of surname of female after marrying their husband. This has been a long and very long and complicated cases till now under the UNO also, and also under the Supreme Court of.
आप जो इस पे आप मेमोरेंडम दिया है उनको?
जी मेमोरेंडम को तो नहीं दिया है।
ये अब जो बात कर रहे हैं ना, जो ये मैरिज एंड इनहेरिट बिल का ऊपर में, इसमें आप इसका ऊपर में गवर्नमेंट को मेमोरेंडम दिया?
मेमोरेंडम तो नहीं दिया, लेकिन जस्ट व्यू प्लेस कर रहा हूँ। पर मीडिया पे तो एड्रेस कर सकता है। ओके, लिविंग टू द पॉइंट। जी लेट्स कम टू द मेन पॉइंट। The main point that memorandum submitted on 23 August 2021 to the Honorable CM Chief Minister Shri Pema Khandu ji. In this memorandum, the first point is regularization of traffic warden immediately, because traffic warden are working very hardly in any time for maintaining traffic movement. They maintain their duty in any weather without fear and safe of their life. So that we strongly urge you kindly regularize their post for maintaining their family and medical emergency. their meager monthly wage insufficient to sustain their day-to-day livelihood, and maintain medical or other problem arise in the family. In this regard, Your Honor, may kindly look into the grievances of the traffic warden and regularize their service within under this 2 month. Point number 2 states that increment of 2% of salary in the traffic warden regular by under APP, Arunachal Pradesh Police, on basis of seniority. Traffic warden under APP is maintaining traffic movement in any season for road safety, but they are not providing any benefits from the government, so that Your kind honor may look into the grievances of the traffic warden and take initiative for early increase of 2% increment in this current financial year 2021 to 22. And the point number 3 states that generate or create as much as possible non-government job various vacancies for the unemployed youth, including the creation of Arunachal Regiment. Since according to 2018 census, here is the proof given by the Department of Labor and Employment, Itanagar. Since according to the 2018 census, there are more than 57,760 registered unemployed. 57,760. I repeat again, because this is only the registered unemployed youth. Many more are still not registered. Unemployed youth under the Department of Labor and Employment, Itanagar. Hence, day by day, they are indulging in drugs, short-term illegal income, gambling, and also participating in anti-social activities. So that it is required creating jobs for engaged toward the unemployed youths of the state. It is also required to create the Arunachal Regiment for engage more and more unemployed youth of the state. Point number 4 states that doctors and press officers should make mandatory of carrying VIP lights on their vehicle in Arunachal Pradesh. This is because I demand this, because under some certain provision or under certain section, the CM of state can pass this bill. That's why this point is mentioned here. Doctor and press are most important for carrying VIP headlights for the public interest. In emergency, they are bound to wait more than hour to reach destination. In this regard, Your Honor may kindly look into the matter and take initiative for early provide carrying of VIP headlights towards the doctors and press officers. Point number 5 states that limitation of immigration or visitors not exceeding than 20% of the total population of Arunachal Pradesh. In reference to the Bengal Eastern Frontier Act, Regulation Act 1873, visitors permit, the ILP was given only for tourism purpose, but now we had seen that ILP issue is misusing. In this regard, most of the illegal activities gradually increasing in the state. The ILP issue authority is not verifying the visitor and issuing the ILP. The ILP is issued for only certain period of time, but visitors are illegally staying in the state after expiring of the ILP. In this regard, most of the illegal activities and social activities are increasing in the state. And the point number 6 states that the ratio of 80/20, that is already amended in the government gov sectors, but APST and respectively to engage also in the private sector, including e-commerce. The unemployed youth of state gradually increasing day by day, but government alone to engage whole the unemployed youth of the state in this regard. It required to engage in private sector 80/20 ratio basis for decreasing the unemployed youth. And I also appeal जनता से भी मैं दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूँ कि हमारा जो अनएम्प्लॉयड का जो जवान लोग है उससे बिजनेस में और सिक्योरिटी कम लिया जाए और उन लोग को एक सपोर्ट दिया जाए, इनकरेजमेंट दिया जाए बिजनेस करने के लिए। मैं यही अरुणाचल से वासियों से मैं वही दरख्वास्त करता हूँ। एंड पॉइंट नंबर 7 states that implementation or inclusion of branch office of the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) office under State Capital Itanagar. ये मैं पर्सनली कानून मंत्रालय न्याय एवं कानून मंत्रालय किरण रिजिजू से मैं दरखास्त करता हूँ इस पॉइंट को नोटेट करें. There are many cases pending in the Arunachal Pradesh under CBI custody, but yet there is no any positive result found till date. The corruption activities, murder, gang rape, and such other cases increasing day by day, so that it requires CBI branch of the state capital Itanagar as soon as possible to safeguard and secure of the denizens and the citizens of the state. In reference to the case of Morang Pinch also, it is still pending. Point number 8 states that ban or terminate those staff members, GOPT or non-GOPT agencies who has not met up to the obligation for respective posts appointed directly or indirectly via politics channel. All the politics channel who has not met up the obligation, that is like qualification हो गया, जो भी post respective post के लिए जो qualified नहीं है उसको terminate करना है. It is the daylight truth that to some vested interest person are appointed their near and dear one who are not qualified for the post. In this regard, official functionary found difficulty. Most of the development activities are gradually not increased due to lack of quality and educated person not appointed in the proper post, so that it is required to verify whole the official department and terminate their post within in this current financial year 2021-22. And point number 9 states that immediate construction of Indo-China Trade Union route for exchange, trade and commercial, culture and technology at Koloriang Kurongkumei District, Taksing, Upper Subansiri District, Arunachal Pradesh. Chinese material, why? Because Chinese materials have been deprived from our state, respective state Arunachal Pradesh. Why they are importing from western part of country? What is this? नरेंद्र मोदी जी से भी मैं अपील करना चाहूँगा. If it is banned, then why it is imported from western part of the Arunachal, like Delhi, India, like Delhi and Bangalore. Chinese material import through western part of the country, India, but neighboring state like Arunachal Pradesh depriving for business exchange. The Chinese Loba Tani tribe culture and Arunachal culture are almost same. Due to lack of communication problem, it is not possible to exchange trade and commercial, cultural and technology in the Arunachal, India. The Koloriang Kurongkumei District, Arunachal Pradesh is nearest to the China border, around 100 km. By discussing related with central government, take necessary initiative for the construct of Indo-China border trade union route from Koloriang Kurongkumei District और तकसिंग अपर सुबनसिरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट अरुणाचल प्रदेश. किरण रिजिजू से मैं अपील करता हूँ. We have been very proud on behalf of Arunachal for appointing for promoting as an law and justice minister, but everything does not comes under only the power. What makes the difference is what in the respective post, what development and deeds he have done. That will be remained in the history. So before flying over to the another level, remember that you are the first of all you are the member of Parliament of Arunachal Pradesh. After that, you are the Minister of Law and Justice. तो किरण रिजिजू से मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि अरुणाचल के वासियों को हाँ एक इमोशनल होता है, इमोशनल को खेलना बंद करें और अपना कर्म करना शुरू करें डेवलपमेंट के लिए. पब्लिसिटी की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब अरुणाचल डेवलप होगा पब्लिसिटी खुद ब खुद आ जाएगा. यही मैं अपील करना चाहता हूँ और दरखास्त करना चाहूँ. धन्यवाद.